If you're looking for gifts, new toys to play with, or wanting to start your own detailing business, then this video is for you. Hello everyone. My name's Dylan, and today we're going to be talking about some essential tools you need to keep an eye out for on this Black Friday. What better time is there to get some early Christmas gifts for yourself or that car-loving friend? When it comes to car cleaning, there's some bigger tools you just cannot go without, which makes this the perfect time to save and not break the bank before the holidays. So jumping right in, the first thing on our list is a new vacuum. While there's numerous kinds to look at, the main points are plenty of storage and power. This way, you aren't constantly dumping out the vacuum in the middle of working. I mean, it's just generally safer to get a vacuum that is too big rather than too little. As for power, that's more up to preference on whether or not you'll be cleaning multiple vehicles at a time or not. So you can get a little more specific in those areas, but generally that's what you want to look out for. And to help you out even more, the one I currently use is down below in the description. So if you want to give it a shot, check it out, see if you like it. If not, find something you do. The next item on our list may be a little less obvious than, say, a vacuum. We're going to want to pick up a new drill. When taking a step back and looking at the process as a whole, a drill can seriously speed up your workflow. Let's just think about it for a second. How much time do you spend scrubbing up some gunk to try and get it cleaned up? A drill will not only speed this up, but it will also just make numerous other things so much easier. It's just so much faster, it's so much power. In a matter of seconds, it's so much easier than, say, elbow grease. To pretty much sum it all up, if there's tough stains or grime that you're trying to agitate, a drill is simply a must-have tool for saving you time and energy. Unlike the previous item, this third one is a little more obvious. It's time to look for a pressure washer. Now, these really can taper to your workflow. So to break it down, it's best to think about your environment and which style of pressure washer would suit you best. So, would you prefer a handheld pressure washer or one that has wheels on it to roll around? Are you going to be working inside a shop or garage or on the outside? Are you going to be a mobile detailer? Are you stationary? Are you going to mount it on the wall? There's clearly multiple questions, and they are purely up to you. But the main point is just keeping your eyes out for a good PSI for your car washing needs. A general rule of thumb is getting something around 2000 PSI just to avoid damaging the car, but also making sure you have the power to blast off any mud that you need or whatever else gets stuck on the car. So nearing the end of our list, the fourth item is an extractor. To be more specific, we're going to be looking for an extractor meant to remove stains from, say, interior upholstery such as carpets and other fabrics. Not only do these things take out some serious stains that you'd otherwise be spending a lot more time and elbow grease on, just scrubbing away, they are also just generally super satisfying to watch. And it really makes you feel rewarded while you're working. To be able to physically see a difference, say, in color on a carpet is one of the best feelings you can get as a detailer, and it makes both you and the customer just obviously feel fantastic. So no matter if you get a portable size or something, say, a bit bigger, you're definitely going to make your money's worth back basically immediately with the results that they tend to produce. Wrapping up our list, the fifth item is a steamer. If you haven't tried cleaning your interior with a steamer yet, you're seriously missing out. If you combine a steamer with an all-purpose cleaner, you get an amazing combo if you are really trying to deep clean, especially at a fast pace. They are beyond versatile in the sense that they basically supercharge whatever cleaner you're using. It heats everything up and just wow. So even if you aren't using an added cleaner, just the heat factor alone breaks down any gunk in your vehicle and makes it turn from a hassle to a breeze just in a matter of seconds. So, trust me when I say this, if you are trying to make your process a lot easier, a steamer is by far one of the best tools you can get. Even if you don't pick up anything else this year, even if you have the budget just to get one of these items, especially while it's on sale, then this is the one to get. You definitely need to get yourself a steamer. And with all of that said, if any of these items sound like the perfect fit for you, they are all down below in the description for easy access. If you have any ideas of your own that you'd like to share, make sure you do so because I would love to hear them. And really, that's that. See ya.